sucked me so messy. She done dropped out of college and bought her a body, she went all exotic. I'm breaking down some biscotti. She giving my dick a massage. I don't even know I'm driving. I'm stabbing this bitch past the car. Take rice and boot up with God. I feel like a fly. Feel like the hottest nigga in the city. Shit, we get debated, just headed to the bank. They tryna catch up with me. Shit, this motherfucker just look like they running in place. Yo, it's your boy jojofromtokyo back in his dojo with another one. Today we gonna be doing So Messy by Goonie. A lot of you might not know who Goonie is, but Goonie, he's a fire rapper. He's a fire underground rapper. He got a song with feature with Can and Yeet. I think that's his most popular song. But let's get into this goddamn cover. I'm gonna play a little snippet of it for those of you who ain't never heard of Goonie.
She sucked me so messy, yeah. She sucked me so, yeah. She sucked me so messy, yeah. She done dropped out of college and bought her a body, she went all exotic, yeah. I'm breaking down some biscotti, yeah. She giving my dick a massage. I don't even know how I'm driving. I'm stabbing this bitch past the car. Take Rossi and boot up with God. I think I can fly.
And so, for those of you who do know who Goonie is, you might already know what this song is. Let's get straight into it. Link gonna be in the description for the preset. Yeah, we gonna get on with this cover. I don't rack it balance, yeah. Now this not no Chevy, yeah. Cardi Skelly, yeah. Now this bitch ain't petty, yeah. She said look like but it's heavy. Check I kill like Messi. She sucked me so, she sucked me so messy, yeah. She sucked me so, she sucked me so messy. She sucked me so, she sucked me so messy. She done dropped out of college and bought her a body, she went all exotic. I'm breaking down some biscotti. She giving my dick a massage. I don't even know I'm driving. I'm stabbing that bitch past the car. Take Rossi and boot up with God. Feel like a fly. Feel like the hottest nigga in the city. Shit, we get debated, just headed to the bank. They tryna catch up with me. Shit, this motherfucker just look like they running in place. She wanna get slayed. I got it engraved. Play with the game, put in the grave. Proud of my bitch, proud of my brothers. I love them, ain't nothing can get in between. Been in this thing since I was 16. Now I need a medics like I'm in the league. She getting drunk and nasty. I'm smoking A1, finna get L like a steak. I got a lot on my mind, a lot on my brain, a hard shit on my plate. I got a lot on my mind, a lot on my brain, a hard shit on my plate. I don't rack it balance, yeah. Now this not no Chevy, yeah. Cardi Skelly, yeah. Now this bitch ain't petty, yeah. She say look like but it's heavy. Check I kill like Messi. She sucked me so, she sucked me so messy, yeah. She sucked me so, she sucked me so messy. She sucked me so, she sucked me so messy. But yeah though, shout out to I think benjicold made this beat. Shout out to him cause this beat go hard. But anyway though, comment what other artists I should do, cause I'm kind of running out of ideas. You know what I'm saying? Comment down what artists y'all want me to do. Y'all used to comment a lot what artists y'all want me to do. I don't really be doing it no more. But yeah though, make sure I hit the comment section. Other than that, make sure you follow my Bandlab. I post a lot more music on there than I do on here. Yeah, I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video.